Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Bybit spot trading and deposit USDT detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Bybit website. Click on the sign up button if you do not have an account. Fill in the required information to create your account. Verify your email address by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Log into your Bybit account with your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Assets tab on the main dashboard. Click on the Assets tab to view your current balances. Select Spot under the Assets section. Click the Deposit button to start funding your account. From the deposit options, choose Tether or USDT. A wallet address for USDT will be generated. Copy the USDT wallet address provided. Open your external wallet or exchange where you hold your USDT. Initiate a withdrawal from your external wallet. Paste the Bybit USDT wallet address into the withdrawal field. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to deposit. Double-check the wallet address and amount for accuracy. Complete the withdrawal process by confirming the transaction. Return to Bybit and wait for the deposit to reflect in your account. Monitor your account balance under the Assets tab. Once the USDT shows up, you are ready for spot trading. Explore the trading pairs available for spot trading. Choose your desired trading pair and review the market data. Now you're prepared to begin trading on Bybit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.